Hi, I'm Julie Laurie. We are going to focus today on one of my favorite oblique exercises. These are bicycle crunches. For a bicycle crunch, we're going to take it down to the floor. So I've got my mat here. You're going to lean back. Now every time we do, and then I sit up. Every time you do a core exercise or an abdominal exercise that has any kind of crunch in it, I want you taking your lower back and pressing it into the floor. No arching up. So you're going to start by laying down, really pressing your lower back. You're going to rotate your hips under just a bit to get that lower back on the ground. For the bicycle crunch, you're going to lift hands behind your head, lift up a bit, and when you do that motion, you'll already engage your core right here. So your abdominals are going to be nice and tight as you're lifting. Elbows stay out and fingers support your head. Then we're extending one leg and you're going to cross. So this cross motion is where we really pull in your oblique muscles. So legs straight out, you're lifting up and crossing. So it's like you're riding a bicycle. Okay, those are bicycle crunches.